Blackcan Pro is the world's first hot water mattress with an internal electrical power generator. Just bring propane or butane gas and water and you're good to go. A single 1-pound gas canister gives you 12 hours of warmth. Gerber Stakeout is an innovative tool built to manage the campsite, with each of the 11 tools serving a distinct purpose to help you with your needs. Sweat Tent is a portable anywhere sauna that helps start your sauna routine and take control of your health, with the luxury and health benefits of daily sauna that you can use anywhere. Gosun Camp 365 is a solar trailer that allows you to freely camp anywhere, free from the tethers of a crowded campground. It's stocked full of portable and efficient Gosun gear: running water, solar oven, portable power, hot shower, and AC. Quechua Camp Bed Air is a Camp Bed Air inflatable bed base for campers who want a comfortable bed for a great night's sleep. It's a 70 centimeters inflatable bed base that can be combined with another one to make a double bed. Rinsekit is the ultimate battery pressurized that's fully portable shower, ranging in capacities from 1.5 to 4.5 gallons. It has portable shower options for everyone, with heating options so you can also take a hot shower anywhere with it. Gendome Home 3000 is your smart portable power station with its fastest charging speed EV-grade battery that can be powered by solar and wind, and smart home capability gives you the freedom to power it your way. Aerogogo Shield Y is an air mattress designed for Tesla Model Y that easily turn your vehicle into a comfortable car that you can sleep and camp in.